Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, step by step and using the beginner method. Let's understand what the 2x2 cube actually is. It's just like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but without edges and center. Let's start by making the white face, but not just the face. We want to make sure that the colors on the sides also match up. So our goal looks like this. Choose a white piece. That will be your base piece. Now look for another corner that has white on it. Try to move it next to the correct color. Keep doing this until you have the entire white layer solved and the side colors match. I recommend you practice a lot this. The white layer is done, flip the cube over, so white is now on the bottom. Now we will solve the yellow face. Our goal looks like this. Okay, so now flip the cube and do this easy algorithm. Keep doing that until all the yellow stickers are facing down. Good, one is done. Turn the bottom and keep doing that until the new yellow stickers are facing down. Okay, one more left. Turn the bottom and do the algorithm until a new yellow sticker is facing up. Great, now the yellow face is solved. Yellow is solved, but the cube still might not be done. The corners on the top need to be moved around. There are 3 types of positions. The cube is solved. Just move the top layer to the right place. Congrats, you solved the cube! Two corners are solved. Move the solved block to the back. Just repeat and do the algorithm. Great, you solved it. Here, every pieces are in the wrong place. It doesn't matter where you start to do the algorithm. Do the algorithm what you did for second position. Move the block to the back. And do the algorithm again. You're amazing, you solved it. In few words, choose your white base piece. Solve the white layer with matching sides. Solve the yellow face using the shorter algorithm. And swap the yellow corners with the long algorithm. So yeah, you can solve the 2x2. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more cube tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy cubing. Bye!